How to transfer gallery photos to laptop. First of all, connect your phone to the laptop with a USB cable. After that, unlock your phone and allow file transfer permission if a message pops up. Then open the File Explorer on your laptop and look for your phone name under Connected Devices. Inside, you will find a folder usually called DCIM where all your gallery photos are stored. Next, choose the photos you want and copy them. After that, paste them into any folder on your laptop where you want to keep them safe. You can also create a new folder with a custom name to keep everything organized. Finally, safely remove your phone from the laptop once the transfer is complete. So, this is how to transfer gallery photos to laptop. Like and subscribe if this helped.